Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I'm Nur Hidayah as moderator as presenter. Here today we will tell you about study time management. Before I start the presentation, maybe someone know a practical way of learning times. The purpose of this presentation is so that we understand how to manage study time. Next, the first speaker will explain about study time management. The second, important of time, and the last, some tips in study time management. Before I start, does anyone know how to effectively manage study time? Well, for the first time here, I will discuss what is learning time management. Next, study time management. Time is something very valuable. It is forbidden for a student to waste time in vain. A student who wastes time in vain, the student still does not understand the importance of time. To manage time for student is important and must be done by every student. This is important so that student can make good use of their time. Each student is given the same time every day, which is 24 hours. However, students who manage their time will be able to achieve optimal learning outcome. If you are currently a student and have difficulty managing study time and organizing, it is actually normal because maybe you're not just busy studying. You may also be busy with other work, such as organizing, looking for extra money, helping parents, and other tasks that you must fulfill. Let's continue the second speaker, which is the importance of time. How to manage time for students is important and must be done by every student. This is important so that students can make good use of their time. One of the most valuable things in the world is not just possession and money, but there is something even more important: time. Property can be lost and we look for it again, but lost time cannot be replaced again. There are various understandings of the importance of time. For students, time is not only money, but time is for learning. By wasting time, he has wasted time studying. A student will be greatly disadvantaged and will be left behind in mastering the lesson if he wastes time in vain. Finally, we discuss some effective ways of time management for students that you can try to apply. The first tip we have to do is arrange a schedule of daily activities. Making a schedule of daily activities is very easy. You can write a time schedule for daily activities on a page of paper. Never rely on brain memory because the brain is easy forget at times. The schedule of daily activity is good for students regarding what activities a student must do on that day in an organized manner. The second tip is to prioritize. In completing a schedule of daily activities, you must choose work based on priorities. You have to choose a job from the most important to the less important, so that the schedule is neatly arranged properly and correctly according to the aspired target. The third tip is to focus again on the schedule. An effective and important time management tip is to focus on the schedule. If you forget to schedule your daily activities, don't let it drag on. You must discipline yourself to carry out a predetermined daily activity schedule. The last tip is discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency are the right learning strategies and the key to success in doing anything. Make you sure you can continue to be disciplined and consistently. Really, that you have arranged. If you are used to being disciplined and consistent, you will also not consider learning activities and doing school assignment as a burden. Finally, we will conclude from our presentation that it is very important for a student to manage learning management so that he is more focused and organized while studying. Maybe if you don't understand our explanation, please write a question in the comment column, okay? Management is in your control. If you will manage it well, it can create huge opportunities. Manajemen waktu ada dalam kendali Anda. Jika kalian mengelolanya dengan baik, itu bisa menciptakan peluang yang besar. Okay, thank you very much for your attention for watching my presentation to the end. More or less apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.